therefore we started the first work with tiles, namely cutting 45 degrees and gluing the decorative border that will separate the shower area from the general area of the bathroom. Now I will show you this border. Here is the border which will separate the shower area from the general area of the bathroom, and also the ladder was installed for draining water, and a precious slope was made so that water does not stagnate over the entire plane. Not plate, but this area, this shower area. Here is bottom and top, so the water will be draining this way and this way. Here it will be the glass wall. So now I will clean it and show you a new video with clean area and plate.
Sometimes you need to make such piece of art with strange shape to make everything looking great again.
So the last preparations was made, and plaster is drying here and here. So we tried the hydroisolation, aqua defense, and tomorrow we will be I paint this area, the whole floor with water defense. So hydroisolation is obeyed. It is Italian, Milano, Italy. So we start.
Apply aqua defense. This is how the first coat looks like.
see, this is how we do it. So the floor has installed tiling. Here the area of shower, and this is the area of the wall of the main bathroom floor. So guys, and this is how it looks like. This is how we made it. And soon it will be finished. Here will be installed washing hand. Here is making sheet place. Here is shower, and here is boiler of hot water. Here it looks like.
Very pretty. I think it's very cool because everything is perfect.
Corners 90 degrees, 0 point of flow, water floor angle. So this is how we made it.